Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product which is known as DustFund. So here we are on the website and you can check out DustFund was created to give back power to the community. We aim to build a fair, transparent DAO where every holder has a voice, create a recovery fund to help victims of scams and drug bulls, reward loyalty through staking, airdrops and giveaways. Their mission is simple: turn drugs into riches and losses into opportunities. So here we are on the website and you can check out the pre-sale is currently live. The price will increase in 1 day, 11 hours and 4 minutes. The amount raised is more than $500,000. 17.47% is left. The second round will start soon. Currently 1 DSTF token is equal to $0.016, and then next round you will get it in $0.022. The third round will be announced soon. You can get it with BNB, BUSD as well as other currencies as well. Just connect wallet and convert it. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here we are back on the website. The most powerful community driven cryptocurrency ever. DustFund isn't just another token, it's the ultimate community led movement designed to empower, reward and protect its holder. Here why it's stand apart, because the official partners are Solid Proof, Coin, Sniper.net, Bitcoin, CoinMarketCap, Binance Coin, Bazooka, Coin Salt and much more. Down here you can check out the contract addresses shown here. You can buy the pre-sale right now. Join their pre-sale. They are trusted by many media outlets such as Tech Announcer, News Website as well as Tech Bulletin and much more. Down here you can check out their total supply has been shown here. Is 50% of the thing is for community and 80% is staking APY, which is really good. Also you can see DAO true decentralization, recovery funds, a safety net for crypto as well as airdrops and giveaways. Rewards some of the amazing features of this amazing product. You can check out the tokenomics of this product. 50% of the supply is for community, 15% is for liquidity pool, 23% is for pre-sale, 8% is for advisors and 8% is for the team of the product. You can see the name is DustFund, symbol is DSTF and the contract address and supply are given here. So method of buying is pretty simple. You just have to create a wallet, then add some of the BNB into it or BUSDT into it, and then come to site, connect and then convert. Also you can claim your tokens after the pre-sale. Down here you can check out some other things such as the roadmap has been shown here. Stage 1 is all about foundation and community building. In stage 2 you will see pre-sale and early growth. Stage 3 is about token generation, event and launch. So also you can check out the other stages as well. The pre-sale has been separated into stage 6 of the roadmap has been divided into 6 phases. Phase 4 is about ecosystem expansion. Phase 5 is security and recovery mechanics. Stage 6 is recovery, activation and global expansion. Also you can check out all of the frequently asked questions that are already answered by them, such as what is DSTF token and how it works, what is total supply as well as the location, how is vesting and locking period designed, what are staking rewards. Each and everything are already answered by them. So make sure you participate into this amazing project and do some on research as well. This video is for educational purposes, so make sure you do some on research as well if you want to participate into the pre-sale. Also make sure you join their social media handles such as X, Discord as well as Telegram handle, and make sure you check out this staking as well as vesting details. So I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product review. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.